She claimed to say she married, but she's a married dog. When she outside the country, she sells pussy like dog. Now, guys, mind you, I can tell you how Liquor One look without you seeing Liquor One picture. Look at Liquor One example. I'm not lying. Look over there. Once upon a time, there was a lady in a community. She was so aggressive and disgusting. Boom, the lady died. When the lady died, there was no family member to bury this lady. However, they take the lady to the morgue. When they take the lady to the morgue, the lady was there, and the motherfucking Fritz sucked the lady out. This is what the lady looked like.
Go and bury your baby.
Just like Liquor One.
Go bury your kidney. You can't talk about prepare my mother.
Like example of a dead fucking skull. And I'm not lying. Your mother's clot. No cap. Guys, never restart the live and come back.
Wait till me brother buck in a Bronx.
The baddest thing for the black. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop food boy. Guys, when I make them banana me, I'm work with the page. I don't know.
Shrunko. Boy, your name Judge Royal. He's a man royal. Dead dog. Look how me mother nice and look good and clean. You look like